how to fix Equalizer 63Hz and 120Hz not working on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, scroll down and click on Sound Quality and Effects. After click on Sound Quality and Effects, you will see Equalizer is here. Click on second option, Equalizer. If you want to fix 63Hz and 120Hz not working, so cable insert phone. Cable inserting phone. After insert cable, you will see 63Hz and 120Hz is working. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Equalizer 120Hz and 63Hz not working on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.